cap, the light hard, tighten the Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're working on the green Sierra work truck again, and I know I said like 2 videos ago that was the last video, but we're still working on it, so I mean it must be a fun project or something. But anyway, it's finally warmed up outside enough that we were able to be outside and not cooped up. This project isn't going to take too long, so this is going to be a quick video. Basically what happened was I received a Christmas present. I got a LED third brake light, which I put on my Christmas list and thought, you know, see if anybody buys it for me. I don't really need it, but it'll clean up the truck a lot and make it look a lot better, I think. So we're gonna go to work and just swapping this out. So this is a quick video and just seeing what that looks like. I know the install isn't that hard, but you know, if you want to see what one looks like for your truck, this is yeah, see how it'll match up. It's not my cleanest install ever, but I think we got it sealed up good and made sure that no water is going to get in there. Challenge with sometimes with aftermarket stuff is if it doesn't fit right, or if it's not quite exactly designed the way the factory was, sometimes you end up with issues. In this case, it was missing on the factory light. There's 2 extra screws in here that tighten the bulb housing right into the cab, and this one didn't have that, so I didn't want to risk any extra water getting in there, moisture, because it's right into the headliner of the truck. So don't want any leaks. I think this will seal it up, and yeah, I think it looks a lot cleaner. Matches the taillights nice. We'll pull back and we'll do a full shot, but I think yeah, that's a really good look. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope that helps you if you're doing this yourself or deciding whether you're going to do it. If you want the third brake light, the link is in the description, so you can check that out and maybe find one for yourself if you got a different truck. But the process is all the same. So super simple, super easy mod, and something, yeah, cleans up your truck nice. Anyway, take care. Have a great day.